Hi everyone, I'm back today to share another junk journal with you, and this is a cat themed junk journal, and I was inspired by another lady on YouTube, and her channel is called Art Bee, and I'll leave a link below to the video that she did, but she made a really nice cat themed junk journal, and it reminded me of a sheet of cat stickers that I had in my stash. There was some Melissa Francis stickers that I'd used a few of them, but not many. So I thought, that's how this journal came about. It measures 7.5 by 5.5. On the front, I used an image from Pixabay, and I just love the colours, and it's just such a pretty image. And I love the way the little girl is cuddling up with her little cats, and the little dog is looking rather jealous. But so I really like that image. The inside pages are made with a digital kit, and this is a kit from Raspberry Road Designs, and I'll leave links for everything in the description box. I also used a digital collage sheet from Luna Girl, and that's all the cat themed images that you'll see throughout the book. So the base of the book is just craft cardstock. It's just one signature, and there are some other various papers like this one, which are just papers that I had in my stash. And I added some lace here, and I put a little piece of pink ribbon that I've threaded through the lace, some pink seam binding, and it got quite chunky. And also this will be listed on my Etsy. So we'll have a look inside. So on the first page I have this is one of the Melissa Francis stickers, and I made a pocket here. There is also some paper from Prima as well, I think Fairy Rhymes. So here I've just got a little tag, and this is just a piece of writing paper for extra journaling. Here I made an altered paper clip. Oh, and also I forgot to say that there's also some of these little sentiments, and I think there might be some other images, cutouts that I've used that are also from Tsunami Rose, the Charming Fragments. I think it's an add-on ephemera pack. So this is one of the images, and I've just backed that onto some lined paper. This is the Raspberry Road design paper, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's really bright. With the doily. I also punched out a few little butterflies. I didn't do any stamping in this, and the papers are all coffee dyed. This is a little envelope that I think I might have got from the Graphics Fairy. That's a little tag and a little collage cut out there. And I saw Laurie do this, Laurie, just a girl from the Bay. She did this, the same thing with an envelope, just cut a small split at the top there, small slit. Another tag there. That's also a tuck at the back. It's just a little craft envelope. I still have to just add some lace to that and add something in the pocket. This is an envelope. This has another piece of writing paper for extra journaling. And then there's another tuck spot on this side. Here I've used a glassine bag. Now I've added another image and another tag and a little bit of pom-pom trim at the bottom. Here's another little, that's another one of the digital collage cutouts from Luna Girl. There's a Vellum Pocket here with another little cat image, and I just used up some scraps of paper just to put on the back. Done another altered paper clip. Here I made one of the double pockets that I've seen lots of people on YouTube doing these. A couple of little tags. This is just an altered paper clip, and this is just some thin cotton fabric that I had in my stash, and I just cut some little strips and tied it on. And then another image there. It's a brown envelope, and that's a sentiment written in there. That's from Tsunami Rose from the Charming Fragments. The other side of the envelope, and that's another little tuck spot. And on this piece I just used some of the Charming Fragments paper and used my scallop punch to cut a shape there. We've got, yep, that's another piece from the Charming Fragments. Little pocket here with another image. And here I made another double pocket. There's a tag at the top. This is another paper clip with some more cotton fabric. That's another image. And this is from Prima Fairy Rhymes. And here I made one of these pockets that I've also seen quite a lot on the group, on the Junk Journal Junkie group, and on YouTube. And I think Girl on the Ridge was the first person that tried these out. So I just used some music sheet paper and just did a bit of layering. This is another cutout from the collage sheet. Just added a tiny little tag there. And another tag. So there's lots of spaces to add your photos as well. Made a lace pocket here. That's from Tsunami Rose. And this is one of the altered safety pins that I made. And I'm going to try and do a video to show you how I made those. But I'll definitely do that in a separate video. It's another doily tuck spot and another image. I'll just lay it up, a flower, a pearl and some fibres there. Another tuck spot there. Now it's a pocket. And this is one of the stickers. another one there, and then on the back page just added an envelope, and in here there's just a couple of pieces of memo paper for extra journaling, and that's just a little piece from the collage sheet as well. That's the back. Whoops, sorry about that, my tripod fell over. There we go. Anyway, that's it. So thanks very much for watching, and please leave a comment below if you'd like to, and any questions, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.